Imagine running a YouTube channel that works for you 24/7 without recording videos, without showing your face, and without spending hours editing. Sounds impossible? Never before has making money online been this hands-off? Well, I'm about to show you exactly how AI can automate your entire YouTube business in just 30 days, and how you can turn it into a full-time income stream over the next year. Quick favor, hit subscribe and tap the bell to get notified. I post new free videos every single day, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. With that being said, let's get straight to it. If you've ever struggled with creating content, growing a channel, or even figuring out where to start, this video will change everything. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use AI to generate viral videos, maximize monetization, and scale a YouTube business that practically runs itself. And trust me, you want to miss the AI tools I am sharing in this video that make this ridiculously easy. YouTube automation has been around for years, but with AI, it's now a whole different game. Instead of hiring expensive teams for scripting, voiceovers, and editing, you can automate everything. Yes, everything. AI can generate scripts, create human-like voiceovers, edit videos, and even optimize thumbnails, all at a fraction of the cost and effort. The best part? You don't need any experience, you don't need a camera, you don't even need to speak in your videos if you don't want to. AI tools have made it so that anyone, and I mean anyone, can run a successful YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera. What if I told you that you can create your next video in as fast as 5 minutes? Whether it's your first video or your next one. Keep watching, and I'll be sharing everything to make sure you can make it happen. But let's address the big problem. Most people start YouTube automation, but they fail. Why? Because they don't use the right AI tools, they pick the wrong niche, or they give up before seeing results. That's exactly why this 365-day challenge is so powerful, because if you stick to it, AI will do most of the heavy lifting for you. Some channels are able to monetize in less than 30 days. Keep watching this video. You'll discover other ways to monetize your channel and start earning from day one. Picking the right niche is everything. Some niches work insanely well for automation, while others are dead zones. You want a niche that's high in demand but low in competition. Think finance, tech, motivation, or luxury topics, where a huge generated content thrives. For example, finance channels that provide a U-generated stock analysis or budgeting tips can gain massive traction because people are always looking for ways to make or save money. Similarly, AI-generated motivational videos using inspiring speeches combined with stock footage tend to go viral. One great way to find a profitable niche is by using free tools like Google Trends. This helps you identify rising trends in specific topics. Answers of public shows commonly ask questions related to your niche. VidIQ and TubeBuddy provide insights into trending YouTube topics and competition levels. YouTube search autocomplete. Start typing a keyword in the search bar, and it'll suggest what people are searching for. Real-life example. Many YouTube automation channels saw explosive growth by covering AI topics as ChatGPT, Midjourney, and AI-generated art started trending. Jumping on an emerging trend early can be a game changer. Gone are the days of sitting for hours trying to write the perfect script. AI can generate engaging scripts in seconds. Tools like ChatGPT can craft compelling stories and informative videos, and even structure them for maximum retention. The key is knowing how to prompt AI the right way. Practical example, let's say you want to make a video on how to save money in 2025. Instead of writing it from scratch, you can prompt ChatGPT with, write a 5-minute engaging script about smart money saving. Habits in 2025 with examples and statistics. AI will generate a solid script, which you can tweak for your voice and style. The trick is to refine AI-generated content with personal anecdotes, share real-life experiences or challenges. Engagement questions keep the viewer hooked by asking thought-provoking questions. Storytelling techniques frame information in a way that feels like a journey. Another practical tip? If your niche is tech reviews, you can use AI to generate a script comparing to popular smartphones, using real user reviews as supporting points. No need to hire voice actors or use robotic text-to-speech software. AI voices now sound so real that most people can't tell the difference. Tools like VidIQ or Motion Array can generate human-like voices that keep viewers hooked. Here are some free alternatives. Play HT Free Plan offers basic AI voice options for text-to-speech conversion. ElevenLabs Free Tier provides high-quality AI voices with limited usage for free. Pro tip: experiment with different AI voices and accents to see which one resonates best with your audience. Some niches perform better with a friendly and engaging voice, while others might need a more professional tone. AI video generators like Pictory and Synthesia allow you to create professional-looking videos without ever touching an editing program. They can take your script and automatically generate footage, animations, and text overlays that look stunning. Free AI video tools. Canva Video Editor offers AI-driven templates and easy video creation. Filmora, a free tool that includes AI-powered video editing features. RunWemel, an AI-powered editing tool that helps with video enhancements. Want even more engagement? Add dynamic subtitles using tools like VidIQ, which automatically generate captions that keep viewers engaged. Tools like Canva's AI features or Thumbnail Blaster can generate click-worthy thumbnails in seconds. And let's be real, thumbnails can make or break your channel. A good rule of thumb: use bright colors, bold text, and expressive faces. Study top-performing channels in your niche and model your thumbnails after what's already working. Free thumbnail resources. Canva, tons of customizable templates. Remove BG. Remove backgrounds to create high-quality images. Unsplash and Pexels. Free stock images to enhance thumbnails. Most people think ad revenue is the only way to make money on YouTube. Wrong. There are multiple ways to monetize. Affiliate marketing, promote products in your niche. Sponsorships. Partner with brands for paid promotions. Digital products, sell ebooks, courses, or templates. YouTube memberships. Offer exclusive AI-generated content. A tech channel that covers AI tools can link to affiliate programs for AI software. A motivational channel can sell AI-generated self-improvement ebooks. The reality is, starting anything new can feel overwhelming. But AI has made it easier than ever to launch a successful YouTube automation channel. What if I tell you that you don't need fancy equipment, a big budget, or years of experience? With the right tools and a little consistency, you can create high-quality content that attracts thousands and millions of views. AI is no longer the future. It's happening right now. The people who take action today will be the ones who build thriving, automated YouTube businesses, while everyone else is still wondering if it's possible. The best part? You have nothing to lose by starting. With free AI tools available, you can test, experiment, and grow your channel without risk. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. The next year could completely change your life if you commit to this process. So, why not start today? If you enjoyed this video, just hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel for new videos every day to learn how to start and grow your own YouTube Faceless channel with AI, earn a full-time income, and overall just live a better life also. Drop a comment below and let's continue the conversation. Experiences or any questions you have. And don't stop here, click the next video on your screen to discover even more secrets to scaling your YouTube empire.